Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings immediately. Press Windows key plus I and choose Accounts. Once there, go to Sign-in Options so you can change password behavior and hints. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account because standard users cannot change some sign-in settings. If you aren't admin, switch accounts or ask an administrator to proceed. This step gives you direct access to the controls that govern password hints and credential policies before you modify them. Now make the change in local group policy. Run gpedit. MSC as administrator and navigate to computer configuration, then Windows settings and security settings. Once there, open local policies, right arrow security options, and find policies like interactive logon options that affect display of user info and hints. Edit the specific policy to prevent display of last signed-in user or hints, set it to enabled or disabled as required, and apply. This removes the hint at the system level. Finish by forcing policy update and testing. Run gpupdate/force or reboot to ensure changes take effect. Once done, sign out or lock the screen to verify the password hint no longer appears. If you still see a hint, make sure you edited the correct policy and that you used an administrator account. Also check for domain group policy overriding local settings. If domain managed, contact your IT admin because domain policies will supersede local edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.